Okay, so here we are in a new video of topology again. So here is with the induced topology form C and f of 0 to defined on this if of t to the power pi and t, which of the following is true. Okay, so now as K is closed and compact, closed in 0 to and also compact. Okay, so K is actually compact because 0 to E is a compact structure. So once this has been done, so continuous image of compact set, continuous image of compact set is also a compact set. So if K is closed in S, so obviously this answer is A. Let's proceed to the next one. Let X be a set with at least two elements, and tau prime are the two topological space on X, and tau prime is on the continuous recursive identity function. Which of them is true? Okay, so let the identity from ID is X tau X tau hat be continuous. Okay, so let U be an open set in tau hat, then is equal to U is also an open set in tau. So as U is arbitrarily open set in X tau hat, so tau hat, so subset of this, so B is the correct answer. Next, X01 to 02 the subspace of R are equivalent with the usual topology, then which of the following is false? So in this case we know that continuous image of a connected set is connected. Continuous image of is connected. So 0 1 is connected. Now f of 0 1 is also connected. So from option D we have f is equal to 0 and X is not connected, so D is false.